Follow me as I drive through Main Street, USA, heading over to the Canadian border on Niagara side. It's nighttime. It's looking beautiful. What you're seeing right now is the entrance to the US casino. In a few moments, you'll see the big tower for the Canadian casino. We're on Main Street, USA right now, and we'll be heading up to the Canadian border. Look at that, guys. The nighttime view is just spectacular. The big red sign, that's the Sheraton. And that Ferris wheel right now, I'll show it to you later on because I actually walked right past it. And there we are heading up to the actual border security. In the far distance, there is the Brock Hotel, which is really connected by overpass to the Sheraton right there. And that one is the casino. And that little one with the light flashing is the Style on Tower. So it's very beautiful here at Niagara at night. So we're gonna go in, check in, head back out, and see what Niagara at night looks like.
Parking spot, you can just take it.
I'm gonna turn back. Just heading out of, what is it, BP? Getting some late night food. Ice cream. So we're out here, it's after 11:30 p.m. and just for some context, this street is about less than a minute walk from the Sheraton Falls View. And the good thing about this area, you could walk into several buildings, get to other buildings by underground and also by overhead. So this is very nice. It reminds me of Times Square, but just a mini Times Square with just like a Niagara effect. There's a lot going on here, people up and about with their families, lots of restaurants, things to do, game shops. You'll never be bored on this street for sure. So it's about 7:30 in the morning, and the rain definitely put a damper on our plans because we had plans to do the whole Niagara tour, but it's raining, it's cold. We actually did not dress for the weather. So we're just gonna drive around and tour that way. So we'll have to definitely come back here when it's warmer. But in the meantime, we need to head to breakfast. Okay guys, at this place, it's called Clifton Hill Family Restaurant. They serve breakfast. So I'm not a big breakfast person, but I think I'm gonna get some Belgian waffles and some turkey bacon. Coffee, please, and orange juice. Okay. Wow. This is my turkey bacon. It looks weird. Right?
Why do you have a big, massive one?
Cameron, your food looks good.
Where's my
See, you have a lot of bacon over there.
Where's my...
Thank you.
There's bacon beef.
Okay, here's the Canadian turkey bacon.
Good.
I mean, it's alright, but you know.
I gotta sip my final cup of coffee.
Bring it.
Camera's not being.
Cup faster.
Come on.
Okay, I have these two slackers under my umbrella. Rain, lots of rain.
Fear and face what lies within.
Cameron, don't run.
Not running. I'm running, walking.
Okay, we're going back into rainforest. This way, this way, this way.
Rainforest?
Yep.
Hardly walk straight.
Who's rainforest?
Watch your step.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right.
Denny's. Oh, this is Denny's. Not too far. I don't like Denny's. And that's the Marriott Courtyard Marriott. Which one? The elevator is coming down. You see it? That yellow thingy. Well, all of this in front of us is the mist. You see it? Wow, that's a better view. Very nice tower. I think it's called the Skylon Tower. Yeah, so that is it. It looks like the CN Tower in Toronto. Hyatt.
Comfort Inn.
Marriott is right there. Comfort Inn is right there. Applebee's is over there.